Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Then click on Emergency SOS and select Emergency Contacts. Finally, hit Add at the bottom and click on your contacts that you wish to add. In this pop-up, you can select OK and send your caller a text message telling them you added them to emergency contact list, or hit Cancel. Now, after setting up all of your contacts, if you wish to delete one of them, tap on this pen at the top right corner. Then select this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and click on Remove in the pop-up. You can also change placement of your added ones by holding those two lines and dragging your contact to the right place. When you finished, tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!